Hi everybody, it's Terry from Terry's O-Gauge Trains, and I'm back with a new video. And look what has arrived. I just received a package from trains.com, and we're going to do a little unboxing video. This is an item that I have been wanting in my collection of Lionel rolling stock for some time, but every time I look for it on eBay or places like that, they were $50, $60, some even $100, way more than I was willing to pay. I mean, I never paid $100 for any of my Lionel or Marx locomotives, so I wasn't going to pay this for a piece of rolling stock. Now, this particular car, there's been several varieties of it throughout the years. There's actually over 61 different varieties of this, all different item numbers. This is the 6-26745 Lionel Traveling Aquarium car. So let's open it up and take a look. Get this packaging out of the way. And there she is. I'll zoom in. You can get a bit better look. And there it is. The Lionel 6267. Let me check again. Am my brain going? Yes. It is the 6-26745 aquarium car. It has interior illumination, magnetic couplers, metal wheels and axles, metal frame, and a metal brake wheel. So let's break her out here and take a better look at it. There's all the original paperwork, instructions, and there is the aquarium car. So let's take it over here and put it on the test bench, and we'll see how she works. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to take the phone off the tripod. And there is the car. I'm going to turn the power on. First we got to plug in the transformer. Hold on. Okay, we're back, and let's power her up. The illumination is on. And as you see, as it's pulled around, the fish move. So I'm really happy with it. It looks nice. I can't wait to get this on the layout and run it. We'll do that, and I'll maybe come back with another short video, do a short of it running on the rails. But so that's the newest acquisition from trains.com, a Lionel Traveling Aquarium car, number 506. It's the 6-26745. And that'll be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and be sure to check back when I have it running on the layout.